sun. Come home, it's supper time. The shadows lengthen fast. Come home, come.
Today I'm going to take the ceiling down in here. I've got to empty all this out and get it to where I can move everything about and everything. We are not going to take that down. We're not going to take that down until we're ready to do the whole ceiling. So we'll just have that little bit underneath around there and all, but I'm going to get as much as I possibly can. So we are going to take everything out of here. So the next time you see it, it will be empty. I got it empty enough. That thing there, I'm not going to mess with it till I get back to it. I can't reach it right now. I can get Ricky to get it. So, but I got everything out of here. And it is empty now. And the cat left me a present in a bathtub. That's pretty good. At least it's not on my carpet or anything. But I have it all emptied out now. So, now, I'm going to take this out there and let Rich show you what I'm wearing. And then I'll show you what I'm wearing. Uh-oh, you can't see.
You gotta make me work, you know that.
Yeah. Alright, and here's what I look like. See what I'm wearing now? Just wait till you see what I'm wearing when I get done. So Rick had to take me to work. I mean, since I had to take Rick to work, here's what I'm wearing now. Okay. You can tell I had too much sun now. Alright, so I'm going to show you what I look like whenever I get all dressed up and nobbied up there.
We were out on a date in my lady's car. Hadn't driven very far. There in the road, straight ahead. Car stalled, the engine was dead. I couldn't stop, so I turned to the right. Never forget the sound that night. Screeching tires, a busting glass, the fatal scream that I heard last. Where can my baby be? Lord took her away from me. Gone to heaven, so I got to be good. I can see my baby when I leave this world.
Alrighty, I think you can see I am ready for the installation. So let's go look at the bathroom again. I'm going to show you the toilet, how I got that plastic on it, so that the insulation won't get under the seat. And then when I have to use the bathroom, the insulation's all over it. And I cleaned it up. Stinky up that the cat left me. And I've got my hammer and my crowbar. So let me set it up to where you can see what I'm doing in here. Come on. I can't see with these glasses on. They're fogging up. closer to it. Get the hammer. Yeah, that's not gonna work either. All right. Just keep on working towards it. I'm gonna get a screwdriver. Maybe I can get it with a screwdriver. Oh. My finger's stuck. Alright, I can't get that. One of the boys is going to have to get it. And this right here, mask right here, ain't worth the crap. I'm telling you it ain't. I'm having trouble already, I ain't got started. Alright, let's see how we're going to get that insulation down. Get closer over there. Alright, I think it's time to figure something else out. Alright, I got them face masks from the Dollar Tree. Let me go get it. From the Dollar Tree. They do not work. I'm telling you, they do not work. I need another one. Let me get another one. Because I got stuff all in my mouth. Alright, I got a serrated, a knife, a kitchen knife. It's serrated, or however you pronounce that. It's not level. So, we're going to try that. And I noticed my hair and I pinned it. So, hopefully, that got that. As far as my eyeballs go, ain't much I can do about it. But these things here ain't worth it, really. Go buy you a better set from Lowe's. But Dollar Tree, no, no, I'm spitting. Alright, let's give this a try. I think I'm doing better, but just preparing it. Really, I am. And I gotta get my bags in here. And I forgot my gloves. Anyway, we're going for it anyway. I've already done the damage. So might as well keep on going. Let me get that stool back. How nasty. All right, I'm getting it. Yuck. We had a nest up there. Oh. How nasty. Oh well, life will go on, whether I do it or not. Alright, let's see how many garbage bags I got now. Look at all that. And there's a nest in there somewhere, as you can see the remnant of it. Whew. But I'm going to start putting in the garbage bags, so I'll be back. Garbage bags, and I got some more done too. Now, when you're messing with insulation, you really don't want to get it on your skin. But if you stop like I'm stopping, and all, then what you want to do is take a cold water, as cold as you could get it. Get that cold water and wash your face off. Don't use baby powder and all that other stuff. Don't do that and all, because that stuff ain't gonna work. It won't work. Cold water is the best thing, and when you get completely done, then you take a cold shower. And I'm gonna have to wash mine out before I even start. Alrighty, so I'm gonna get back busy. All this stuff off the roof, the roofing stuff. So now I got that insulation. But look on this. That is black mold. Black mold on there. So that could be my problem with me not being able to get better. And I am still using the mask. See, it's over here too. So that could be my problem as far as the black mold goes, and my being sick all the time and all. Boy, it sure did hit me fast. 3 days in here, and that's what happened. Alright, I need to get off here and wash my face off, so I'm going to use some cold water. Alright, I have all the insulation down. I'm going to try to sweep the dust bunnies off and all, but I have it down. And it's all, look at that. How many garbage bags was that going to take? Oh, how nasty. My bathtub. Yuck. Alright, let's see how many bags I'm going to get. 9 garbage bags. All that right there is from the yard. And all these right here is from the yard, except for the white ones, and they are house garbage. And we are not even done. So, we still got a lot to do, you know. And that woman over there, she has like 4 cameras that she keeps going all the time and stares right over here. So I've got a good neighbor, huh? And she's got like 20 dogs in there, it sounds like. Maybe not that many, but that's about what she's got, it sounds like. But anyway, there it is. Here's the bathroom. I got the light to set up there, thank goodness. And it's not all perfect, but I did get it back. Oh, you can't even see, it's black. But I did get all that. And I swept the top of the my washer and dryer. I swept my sink right there. I swept inside the bathtub. And now I got all of it up now. So now I think it's time to wash out my bathtub and take me a cold shower. And then I'll finish up. I have all my junk back in here. What I did was I took a shower. A cold shower. Then I dried. I let everything dry. And while I was letting everything dry, I started putting everything back in here like it was supposed to be. And look here, I even pulled out my stuff from my bathroom here that I made. This right here is crocheted material and all. So I liked it. And I got my bathtub all back together again and all. So I'm happy with it. And then after I done all that and all, took me another shower. And then I washed all my clothes and everything in cold water. So hopefully it got rid of all the insulation and all. But I have it done. Thank goodness. I mean, I wish that, there was more that I could do, but I just got too tired with it and all. And all, like that spot right there, I could get that down. That's for another day. We still got a little bit to go before we're really ready to do the ceiling in here. Because I want the bathtub over there in that corner. I want the toilet right here, right on this side of the 2x4. And I want that sink turned just straight around. The washer and dryer is fine. I like it where they are. So we can handle that. Alrighty, so I am done in here.
Okay.